I have the Google Pixel 6 right here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off 5G connectivity on your Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, and the newer Pixel 6a smartphones. 5G is a new cellular band, and the modems that are available right now just aren't as fully developed as other technologies are. This has resulted in many new Pixel 6 owners noticing issues with their smartphone. Some are experiencing an overheating issue while the phone is connected to a 5G network, while others have noticed that their new phone isn't getting as much battery life as their older device. This battery life issue can also be related to the device connecting, or at least trying to connect, to one of the newer 5G networks. Sometimes these new network bands just don't have enough signal strength to reach some locations that you happen to be in. And just like with all cellular signal strength issues, this can cause the modem to chew through your battery life as it tries to connect and maintain a connection with the network over and over again. So the first method that I'm going to be showing you today involves diving into the settings application. We're going to go into the settings application of the Google Pixel 6. Then we're going to tap the network and internet option, and then select the SIMs option. So from here, we're going to scroll down a little bit until you see the preferred network type. And by default, this is going to be set to 5G. So one of the ways that we can avoid 5G on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro is by selecting LTE or even 3G or 2G from this preferred network type option in the settings. This should work for most people, but I am reading some Reddit and forum threads where this method isn't sticking for everyone. Some folks are reporting that after changing that option, it will reset back to 5G as the preferred network type after 5 or 10 minutes. So while that should be your first method of turning off 5G on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, this may not be the recommended solution for everyone. If you're having issues with the first method that I recommend here, then you're going to want to try the second method instead. So instead of going through the settings application, the second method involves opening up the phone dialer application and entering a secret code to reveal a hidden menu. We can do that again. Open up your phone dialer, and then we're going to input the code *### 4636 ###. Now, if we do everything correctly, we're going to be taken to this testing page where we have a phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi information options here. We need to dive into the phone information option, and then again, we're going to look for the set preferred network type option. So this is a drop-down menu, and we have a lot to choose from. And we're going to be selecting the GSM/WCDMA/LTE option. Choosing that option will prefer your network type to 4G, 3G, or WCDMA. But again, you could also choose, say, only LTE for only 4G connectivity. It's generally not recommended to only select 4G from here, but it is an option. Again, you're going to want to look for the GSM, WCDMA, and LTE option in this list to prefer 3G, 4G, and WCDMA. Selecting that option will avoid 5G bands when you're on the Google Pixel 6a and the rest of the Google Pixel 6 series when it is wanting to connect to a cellular network. This solution won't fix all overheating or battery life issues, but if you're having trouble with 5G on the Pixel 6, Pixel 6a, or the Pixel 6 Pro, then eliminating 5G from the available cellular networks can help when you're troubleshooting those types of issues.